Have you ever thought about it that with all your effort editing a specific video, you do not get the right engagement after editing it? There's this major mistake you have been making and you are not aware of it. I am going to be showing you in this video that mistake you are making and how to get it right. So if you are interested in something like that, please stay tuned to my channel and let's get started. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okunola Anna and I am going to be teaching you that specific thing you are supposed to be doing to always get the right engagement in your video. One thing most people do not understand is that viewers are naturally impatient. I mean no insult, but the reason why I said so is that the reason why some viewers tend to watch a specific video is because they need a specific information, just one information at times, and some might need all the information. But when they do not get it, they tend to be impatient, and due to that, they tend to skip videos or they tend to fast forward videos. But when your videos are organized and it is well arranged, they will be tuned to it because they can easily locate the specific thing they need in the video. And what is this thing I'm talking about? It is the timestamp and chapters. Some people know it as timestamps or it can also be called chapters. This helps you to easily arrange your videos in an ascending way. So people will be they will easily know what is the next thing to come in that video and what they really want to locate. And apart from that, it helps you to push your video, the SEO of your video, and it helps your video to be easily recommended on other search engines. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. This is tested and trusted. People easily locate your videos. And one of the things is that it helps you to make use of different keywords in your videos. So your video will not just have a specific keywords in your description box alone, but you have different keywords that you can make use of. So I am going to be showing you a practical way of making use of chapters or timestamps in your video. So if you are interested in something like that, please stay tuned to my channel and let's get started.
So I'll be explaining two methods in which you can make use of the timestamps or chapters in your description box. So you are going to click on your Google Chrome, then next you type studio.youtube.com. When you click on it, it will be able to lead you to your YouTube dashboard. If this pop out, just click on return to studio. It doesn't affect. So this way you'll be able to come to your YouTube studio dashboard, as you can see mine here. Then now you are going to click on this top right corner and click on create. Then you click on select file, so you can select the video you love to create. This is just like me explaining how to upload a video. I have a very detailed video on how to upload. So when you've selected the video and you've chosen it, at the description box you will input your description. Then after that you will type timestamp slash chapters. So it is also known as chapters and it is also known as timestamp. So one thing is that at the beginning of every video, it starts with 0.00. So before you can start writing any details of your timestamp, write is 0 semicolon is 00. Then you put an hyphen intro. The same, just follow the process the way I am typing it here on my screen. Then after that, you start checking your video. So before you can say you want to input your timestamp in your description box, while you were editing your videos, when you notice that you've done the final editing of your video, you would have checked the time that you said each keywords. And when you are typing those things, let it look like something that you can easily search on Google or on YouTube. Something like how to do something, how to do this, something that has to do with maybe an explanation, something that has a keyword that you can easily search either on YouTube or any search engine. So this way, even if people did not search with your video title, the timestamp can help to suggest your video. Then after that, make sure you copy your timestamp so that even after you've posted your video, you will pin it in your comment section so that even if people cannot check through the description video, they can check it in the comment section. So now for the second method, this is for those that have uploaded their video. On the top left corner, you click that three dots, then you click on content. This will help you to be able to see the videos that you have uploaded already on your YouTube channel before. So you click on the video that you would love to include your timestamp. Remember that you should have been able to watch the video and listed out all the key points. Like I mean, all those points whereby you started sharing an important detail. So those points where the details started from, maybe it is in seconds or it is in minutes, just the beginning alone. You don't need to type where it ended on. Just type the beginning when that information was shared on. So when you feel you've typed everything you would love to share on your description box, as in the timestamp, you click on the save button at the top right corner, and that's where you've saved it. So this is me trying to show you an example of those keywords. So here is my Google application, and on the search button I'm typing how to properly upload video. So on the upload point, you can see this place now, this person made use of timestamp, and that's why you are seeing 10 key moments in this video. So this key moment is maybe those things that mention something that has to do with upload. It might not even be what you are looking for, but because the term upload or how to showed, so maybe there was in one of those key moments he typed how to, it will now reflect there. Timestamps or chapters are one of those measures that can boost your YouTube algorithm.
So I hope you learned something new from this video, and I hope you are going to practice it. Please let me know in the comment section if this method works for you. So see you in my next video, and till then, keep winning and see you at the top. Bye.